A very good morning to everyone present here.
Prehistoric, primitive, ancient, barbaric, crude. This is just a small bit of the set of adjectives that we use to describe our ancestors. Well, when we have marvelous creations of the ancient times, which puzzles a scientist even today, I think these terms are a bit too far fetched. Let us start off by looking at one of the greatest mysteries of all the times, the Stonehenge. Thought to have been built around 2600 BC, it is made of bluestones and sandstones. Many archaeologists feel that it's a site used by our ancestors for making astronomical observations. Moreover, the pillars in Stonehenge have been poised in such a way that it depicts the position of the sun during different times of the year. Still don't get it? This Stonehenge itself was one big calendar, ladies and gentlemen. There are certain facts about the Stonehenge, though, that have puzzled the archaeologists themselves. Firstly, the rocks that make up Stonehenge weigh about 10 tons each. Archaeologists still haven't been able to find out how our ancestors managed to transport such humongous rocks from as far as 20 to 180 miles away. This was because the Stonehenge was built even before the wheel was invented. The mystery doesn't end here, ladies and gentlemen. Something that puzzles the archaeologists even more is how they managed to erect the trilithons. This is because they feel that it's close to impossible to erect a 10-ton rock placed on top of two others without some kind of advanced technology. This is because the rocks are not just placed on top of the other. They have studs and hollow cups which ensure that they are securely held in place. The best part is, the Stonehenge is not even one of its kind. You can find similar structures erected by our ancestors in many places in Europe. This shows the architectural expertise our ancestors had. It can not only be noted here, but also in the Egyptian pyramids. These pyramids are so huge that the pyramid of Khufu itself weighs about 57 lakh tons, ladies and gentlemen. In comparison, it is about 11 times the weight of Burj Khalifa. What captivates the scientists and archaeologists even more is the mysterious mortar that has held together the pyramids for more than 4,000 years. The archaeologists still haven't been able to find out its chemical composition though. Well, these pyramids also tease the modern day architects with their 2-ton swivel doors which can be opened with just a push of your hand from the inside. This shows how balanced these doors are. I don't see how all this can be built without mathematical and scientific calculations. Maybe Pythagoras wasn't even the greatest mathematician after all. All these monuments question our understanding of the past. Being able to build such magnificent structures with just the basic tools, well, I guess that is true intelligence. Before I conclude, I would like to talk about one creation of ancient times that is truly unique in its nature. Something that is of the distant past but has made immense contribution to our future. A language that is said to be the oldest in the world. A language that is said to be that of the gods themselves. Yes, I am talking about Sanskrit. This language originates from India, a land that has left us with numerous archaeological wonders from pillars that sing to pillars that float. Well, baffled, aren't you? India is a topic for another day though, due to the sheer vastness of the wonders within it. Moving on, Sanskrit was created around 2500 years ago. It is currently being used as a model blueprint by NASA for creating its 6th and 7th generation of computers. This is because it's a very versatile language which has the capacity to express any sentence in the shortest way possible. If you take languages like English with 26 alphabets, you can make a combination of only 676 two-letter words, with words like CA and KA sounding almost the same. But in Sanskrit, with just 2 letters, you can make about 1.57 lakh combinations, with each of them having a clearly distinct sound. This is the reason why it is called as the clearest language in the world. The ancient doesn't seem so ancient now, does it? Well, in the end of the day, it's wonders like these that stand proof to the statement. Understand your past to get to the future. Thank you.